Hey everyone, before we dive into today's exciting content, I'd love it if you could hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps me out and ensures you won't miss any of our future reviews and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. Today, I'm thrilled to share an innovative tool that's changing the game for marketers, business owners, and anyone who's tired of the complexities that come with AI chatbots. It's called Botsheets. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by training AI or managing a chatbot for your customer service needs? Botsheets is here to simplify your life. This remarkable platform allows you to train and manage AI chatbots using something you're already familiar with: Google Sheets. Botsheets revolutionizes the way you interact with AI, providing accurate and personalized responses. It's like having an assistant that learns from a spreadsheet. Best of all, it integrates seamlessly with Google Sheets and OpenAI, making it convenient for all your data handling needs. Whether you're a marketer, a small business owner, or run an agency, Botsheets is tailored for you. It's an essential tool that collects important data from chat sessions and helps you nurture leads, deliver support, and grow your business in a way that you never thought possible. If this already sounds intriguing, wait until you hear more about the exclusive features and the comfort it brings by simply connecting a Google Sheet. Believe me, you'll want to see it in action. Curious to learn more and see how Botsheets can work for you? Click the link in the description below for a deep dive and an exclusive look into this clever solution. Don't forget, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you've got nothing to lose but so much to gain. Don't just take my word for it. Find out how Botsheets can elevate your customer interaction game. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Note: as per the instructions received, this pitch is intended for a hypothetical scenario and is not an endorsement of any product or service.